everyone, hope you're well and keeping safe. I thought it might be nice for those that are missing choir or those that might want to join choir when we get back to school if I put on a little practice session for home. Now you can get brothers, sisters, mums, dads, carers to join in with you. Of course, we need to start with our warm-up. Here's some karaoke versions of songs we sing in choir. Sing on your own or with family. The main thing is have fun. You can also video your performances and send them into school so we can share them.